Hello guys, welcome to JavaScript. Today we will be discussing factory design pattern. Factory design pattern is also known as factory method pattern. In this pattern, we just need to define interface or abstract class for creating an object. But at runtime, depending on subclass, object will be instantiated. In other words, subclasses are responsible for instance creation. Key points to remember regarding factory method pattern is it allows subclasses to choose the type of object to create. It promotes the loose coupling by eliminating the need to bind application-specific classes into the code. That means the code will contain only declaration of interface or abstract class. And that means it can work with any subclass. Let's understand it with an example. Here we have created My Connection interface. My Connection interface is having three subclasses: Oracle Connection class, MySQL Connection class, and SQL Server Connection class. And a connection factory class is a factory class for creating a connection. Connection factory class has the object of My Connection interface, and client class will use connection factory class to get required connection. So if the client class requests Oracle connection to connection factory class, then it will instantiate My Connection interface object as a Oracle connection. So at runtime, on client demand, required database connection will be created by connection factory and it will be returned. I hope factory pattern concept is clear from this example. That's it from JavaScript today. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.